Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you delete your Spotify account. So to delete your Spotify account you need to have access to the Gmail account that you have created your Spotify account, and again you cannot delete it from your Spotify app. You need to delete it from another browser. Just go to Google for example and search for spotify.com. After searching it, just click on the top right three dash icon here and you need to log in. Click on the first option. After logging in, just again click on the top right settings option here and click on the very first option, view account. Now just click on the top right three dash icon, and here you can see the second option here, support. Just click on it. Now just scroll here and here you can see the account help option. Just click on it, this blue one. Now here you can see there are settings here. Just swipe it and click on account settings. Now just click on the third option here, this one, closing your account and deleting your data. Now just click on here, close your account and delete your data. Again click on it, the green one, close my account and delete my data. After clicking it, here you can see close my account option. Click on it. Just hold on to reply. And now here you can see the very first option here, close my account and delete my data. Click on it. Now just click on yes. Again click on yes. Now we need to just go to your Gmail account. After going to your Gmail account, here you can see close my account option. If you click this close my account, your account will be deleted from Spotify. So guys, this is how you can delete Spotify account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.